In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll contacts in a sequence in HubSpot. This is a very handy feature if you're looking to streamline communication and automate tasks with your CRM. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together so you can make the most out of HubSpot's Sequences feature. First things first, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. If you're not already signed up, you can do so by visiting HubSpot's website and following the sign-up instructions. Having an account gives you access to a suite of tools designed to help you manage and grow your business effectively, so getting set up is worth the time. Once logged in, navigate to the CRM section. This is where you'll find all your contact data in one centralized location. From there, you'll want to select Lists. Lists in HubSpot allow you to categorize your contacts in a way that suits your business's needs, and using them is crucial when you're trying to enroll contacts in a sequence. Next, you'll need to select the specific list that contains the contacts you wish to enroll. If you haven't created a list yet, or you're not sure which list to choose, this is a good time to ensure your contacts are organized according to your campaign or communication goals. After selecting your list, take a look at the contacts displayed. You'll want to check the boxes next to the individual contacts you plan to enroll in the sequence. This selection process allows you to manage exactly who will be receiving the sequence communications, and it's handy for targeting specific segments of your contact database. With your contacts selected, turn your attention to the top of the list. You'll notice an option labeled Enroll in Sequence. Go ahead and click on this. By doing so, you're one step closer to automating your outreach efforts. This feature is designed to save you time and ensure consistency across all your communications. Finally, it's time to choose your sequence and set any of the starting preferences that fit your strategy. HubSpot allows you to customize this step to align with your overall goals, whether that's nurturing leads or engaging with existing clients. Make sure to review the sequence options carefully to select the one that best fits your needs. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to enrolling contacts in a sequence in HubSpot. This powerful feature can greatly enhance your CRM efforts, providing a structured and automated way to engage with your contacts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Happy sequencing!